Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a video transmitter that is able to do video transmission and recording at 4K or 8K at 120 FPS depending upon your device. It also supports AV1 encoding and H.264 and H.265 encoding. This is done by using your smartphone. Mostly all devices nowadays have 4K video recording and inbuilt AV1 encoding or HEVC encoding inbuilt on your device. To do that, you only need is a smartphone and a laptop. If you want more range, you can add an ESP32 or you can use a Wi-Fi HaLow module to achieve even more range. To make it, on PC, download the PowerShell from the Microsoft Store. This is the software we are going to use. This is a screen mirroring software used for mirroring your phone's display to the PC. This software comes with 30 to 120 FPS. Now, to get 120 FPS, you have to change your phone's hertz to 120. If you are having 90 Hz display, you can only go 90 FPS. It depends upon your phone. Now the latency is also depend upon your phone. If you are having a hardware encoder, you can have a low delay. If you are having software encoder, you will have a much more delay. First of all, open the PowerShell, then type this. After installing, go back to your phone, go to settings, go down and about phones. Go to software information and click on build number. The phone will ask you a password, and after you do that, okay, go back, and you will see a developer option. Open it and go down and turn on USB debugging. Then go back to our PC and close the PowerShell that we use for installing and open the new PowerShell. Connect the phone to PC. Type this Scrcpy and you will see this message on your phone. Allow it. Now our device is recognized and now shown in our PC. You can see we are currently using the USB connection. We need to change that to the TCP connection. So I will show you that. Before we do that, we have to know what kind of encoders you have on your phone, software side and hardware side. To know that, you have to type this. You can directly type this in your PowerShell. As you can see, these are the encoders that I have on my phone. And you can see the HW on the right side. That means it's hardware, and HW means software. So we have H.264. I have hardware and software. H.264 is also called AVC, which is commonly used on VTX. Now the H.264, this is the encoder used by DJI systems. You see that I have H.265 hardware side and software side. HEVC is commonly found on higher end VTX systems. But you see, I have AV1. Unfortunately, I only have software, but I will be able to use the AV1. If you are having hardware, use the hardware version. The first way to have wireless transmission is having another phone. So basically, you're going to use a third phone as a hotspot PC, and the VTX phone will connect to the hotspot phone, and you will have the VTX output. But this method is not great because the range will be dependent upon the third phone. The second method is using Wi-Fi HaLow module. The Wi-Fi HaLow modules are optimized to give 10 km range. They only have like 2 megabyte per second transfer rate, but you only need that much to achieve this long range capability because we are using AV1 encoding. To do that, you can buy this Wi-Fi HaLow module. In my country, I couldn't buy a Wi-Fi HaLow module, so I cannot show you how to use Wi-Fi HaLow module. But there are some videos that shows you how to use the Wi-Fi HaLow module. Third method is by using an ESP32 as a Wi-Fi relay. You can buy a cheap ESP32 and add antenna to the ESPs to achieve longer range. because we are having antenna, you will get 500 to 700. If you are having directional antenna, you can get more. Currently I configured like this, the ESP32 to put a hotspot, and my phone and my laptop is connected to it. You have to connect your phone with PC one time using Type-C cable. This is the command you have to type on your PowerShell, and I will explain how it is. Now Scrcpy is the software name, and the max size means the max resolution. The max FPS is max FPS obviously, so I set it at 60 FPS right now. Now I have set it on no audio, and the next one is the bitrate of the video. So now 1M, which is 1 megabyte per second. And the next command is stay awake, which will make my phone stay awake. Turn screen off, which will turn off my screen. And the next one is TCP IP, which is to use the TCP connection rather than the USB connection that you currently have. The final one is encoder. So you see these are the encoders that I have, and you have to copy it and paste it in here. Now this is our PC, the phone that I'm going to use as a VTX. Now you have to connect the Wi-Fi. Both phone must be connected to one Wi-Fi. The recording phone has the Wi-Fi. You have to connect the Type-C cable to PC to phone. Then open PowerShell and click enter. And you see you will be getting this notification, allow it, and this will switch to the you can see the VTX output is already here. Now click the camera of your phone. Now you have a camera output. Now you can remove the Type-C. As you can see there, I removed the Type-C cable, and there is still video output, but you can see the delay is there, so you can fix it by decreasing the bitrate. Now much better. You can also record it like the phone, because we are on a phone, so we can record it. And you are having a VTX output on the PC side, and you're also getting a recording like the DJ I have on the phone with the best high bitrate. Now if you are having 2 cameras or 3 cameras, you can see I have wide angles too, so you can see I am having changed to wide angle on my phone. I want to see the AVC at software compression. As you can see, this is software side, and you see there is a lot of stuttering. It's at 3 megabyte bitrate. This is HEVC at same 3 megabyte bitrate. Software encoding, and you can see there is still small stutters, and it's better than the AVC. This is AV1 at same settings. I zoomed and compared the 3 encoding, and you can see the HEVC is better than the AVC, and the AV1 is slightly sharper than HEVC. You can see the vehicle over there. The AV1 is a bit more sharper. So this is the AV1. Now I'm having the PC connect to my phone, which is having the hotspot. Now I'm gonna check the range. This is Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz, which I don't recommend to run on. You don't need that much bandwidth. As you can see, there is a lot of stuttering, even though I am running it lower bitrate. It may be because of the Wi-Fi, and I think the phone's receiving is not that good. I think you should buy a ESP or any type of Wi-Fi repeater. Now this is same AV1 with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Now I want to check the range again. Now I set it at 1 megabyte per second, which is 1 megabyte bitrate. So it's great, but if you want more range, you can decrease the bitrate to 500 kilobyte, which is 0.5 megabyte. So it'll give you more range, because if you use more bandwidth, you will get less range. The Wi-Fi is already going down. This is why you should not use the first method, because obviously the range is going to be bad, but you can use it. And if you want more range, you should go with the second method, or you can go with the third method, which is best method if you are considering for a cheap VTX. Next, I will try to optimize it, so consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and give a like if you like it. And thank you for watching.